A quick look at silver and gold. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, I've just recorded the video walking you through the top success mindset trading techniques to really help you move forward. You know that most of your trading success comes from your mindset. So click on the button above that says success mindset to get access to this video right now. Alright, hey traders, hope you're doing well. Have a quick look at silver and gold. Silver is actually in the last sort of month, silver is actually starting to slowly step up, holding above these support levels here. Now I know I've changed the background here, but you can see that this whole box through here, this whole area through here, that was a long-term weekly support level, and this box through here, this is just the short-term support level, and you can see it's actually holding up. We've made this trough here, made this trough, and now we made another high trough. And if I go, you can see we made this trough here, we made another high trough there, and the market's now running up. And now the market's continue to slowly step up. Now, that's on the short term, guys. We really need to break above this high up the top here for me to start to become a lot more bullish on that. And especially if I just bring up my other moving average. Let me bring up the other moving average here. Let's go to the simple moving average. Let's go to this one here. Let me just make this color like that, and the 52-day moving average, guys, this is the one that I'm really watching out, because once we get above that, as we're starting to do now, the trend is starting to change, as you can see. So let me just minimize that. So we minimize that, so you can see we're slowly starting to step up through there. So looking at gold is doing the same thing too. Once again, guys, we're starting to, in the short term, we're rallying up to the high side. But remember, guys, the short, that's just the short term. Small picture, big picture. So let's go small picture, big picture. And so what I mean by that is let's have a look at the overall weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of silver as well. Just keep it really simple. What do we see here on this weekly chart? Let me just bring this up. Actually, let me just make this the weekly chart here. All right. So this is the weekly chart. Let me just bring this up through here. Alright, so we have, this is the 200, obviously 200 week, and this is the 52 week, which is basically like a yearly moving average. So you can see that this yearly moving average, the 52 simple moving average, has been really good. Obviously, like a yearly moving average, you can see what's happened through here. So we are below this here, so that's really interesting for me to obviously watch. Let's have a look at, so we'll just keep that there, we'll just keep that really faint. The thing that I want you to watch out for, guys, is looking at silver and gold, is you can see that we've made this is the weekly chart here. We made this lower peak, and lower peak. We've got this lower trough, and now another lower trough. We are starting to break past this support level here, which is a very first timer of support. If we need to start breaking above this peak up here, we need to break above this support here, this support and this resistance, and make a new higher peak for this trend to start to continue back to the high side. So that's what I'm looking on the weekly chart with silver. And looking at gold is a very similar thing as well too. You know, we're looking at that there, and we can see that this overall major key areas through here, this, so basically 1200 level here, is a very key area. So even if we're rallying on the short term, we're coming up to this area of resistance where we are right now. So keep an eye out for that, guys. That's the main areas I'm looking for. If you're looking for long-term scenarios or long-term bullish or bearish scenarios, this is exactly what I'm looking at for, and what I'm focusing on. Let me just quickly move over to the XAU. The XAU has already started to create a higher peak, but below the 200 still, so not really a big bullish trend yet. And that's the XAU. The GDX, again, nice little higher peak. We're starting to change the trend of that as well too. So this is the first sign of changing the trend. But again, we really need to start getting above that 200 for this to be a big raging bull again as well too. So keep an eye out for that. And the HUI, very similar thing for all the markets. So, as you can see, it's sort of like you're waiting for confirmation to see what is this. Is this just a rally back up before a continuation down? Or is this the start of the next bull move? What do you guys think? Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to get more free education about trading, then click on the box that says free trading course. This is a free trading course. It goes for around 12 hours long. It's about 12 videos long. Covers everything from chart reading, mindset, trading systems, money management, trade management, everything you need to get yourself ahead in the markets. And if you'd like to get my help personally, then click on the box that says get John's help, and you'll be able to see how you can get my help personally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.